Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Soraya. Today I'm going to be revealing to you 2 pouring medium recipes and 11 cell activator recipes. Yes, you heard me right, 11 cell activator recipes. I'll be revealing the secrets that make for wonderful cells and lacing. I've put the recipes up on the screen for you, so if you want to pause the video and write them down, please feel free to do so. So here we go. If you're new to my channel, you gotta do 3 things. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click on the bell icon to receive all notifications. Now let me know in the comments section if you've used any of these recipes, or if you're gonna try one, or dare I say, all out? I'd love to hear from you. Bear in mind, there are probably even more recipes out there. Use whatever works best for you.